morning, Lord. Today is a new day. A chance for a new start. It's a good day to be glad and give thanks. Thank you for today, a new opportunity to love, give, and be all that you want me to be. Today, I want to start the day with you on my mind and in my heart. Help me to set my thoughts on things above and to speak only what will help and encourage others. Make whatever work I do be marked with excellence as I seek not to make a name, but to make a difference. Help me to treat each person I encounter as you would, with respect and love, forgiving others and asking for forgiveness myself when needed. Amen. Amen.
Thank you, Isaac. So you may sit down, everyone. So for our first performance,
Say.
so for our first performance, let's all welcome Lance Yu. Clap your hands for Lance Yu. Lance Yu will sing Hawak Kamay with guitar.
You are guys in therapy?
Everybody, let's give Lance a warm round of applause. Ready? Teacher Fair. Sorry.
Kaibigan na problema sa aking karamdaman at masasabi di ko makaya. Tuloy ka lang sa langit, baka sakali may masingan. Di kaya ako'y tawagin, malalaman mo ba na
Hoy!
Alala mo to? Yung tutusukan.
Madili ka!
Binitawan sa paglalakbay. Ako doon ang kawalan sa mga usalang ako'y tumubo sa
Susunod yung dance natin.
at ang